Ladies and gents, gearheads and gravel goblins, today we're diving into the 2026 Zontes 368G Adventure Scooter. Removal and refit the rear muffler and heat guard. This video is in English spoken language, with Chinese subtitles. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. So let's dive into this video. ZT368TG Muffler Rear Section Replacement Video Tutorial 2026 Model Preparation Tools T25 Torx Wrench 13mm hex socket T45 Torx Socket Torque Wrench Use 13mm hex socket and T45 Torx socket to remove the muffler rear section according to the video disassembly order. When about to remove the muffler rear section, you need to support the muffler by hand in advance to avoid it falling directly to the ground. Use the T25 Torx wrench to remove the 4 front fixing bolts of the heat shield. Use the T25 Torx wrench to remove the rear heat shield. And install the front heat shield on the new muffler as shown in the video. Do not omit the stainless steel insulating pad. Use the torque wrench to tighten the 4 fixing bolts to a torque value of 10 Nm. Install the rear heat shield as per video instructions. Do not omit the stainless steel insulating pad. Use a torque wrench to tighten the 3 fixed bolts, with a torque set to 10 Nm. After installing the muffler rear section according to the video method, install the upper mounting point fixed bolts, first screwing in 6 to 7 threads. Install the lower mounting point fixed bolts, also screwing in 6 to 7 threads first. Install the muffler stainless steel clamp according to the video method, first manually screwing in the fixed bolts 6 to 7 threads, then pre-tighten the bolts to fix them. Use a number 13 hex socket to pre-tighten the upper and lower mounting point fixed bolts on the muffler rear section. Use a torque wrench and T45 star socket to tighten the muffler stainless steel clamp with a torque set to 25 Nm. Use a torque wrench and T13 hex socket to tighten the upper and lower mounting point fixed bolts with a torque set to 53 Nm. Thank you for watching.
I'm coming for the throne.